We should have like Alexa turn the lights on or something. Okay. My head still hurts from that. All right, so let's get it on. What is it? PACKOUT compatible. They got the crazy P's on it too. It is the 2357-20. Tool only, PACKOUT compatible. It is their, what do they call it? Do they really call it anything? Look at this. It's just tool only. The PACKOUT light and charger, right? Light/charger. So let's open it up. You know, and no matter where you look for this, I think it's always a tool only. So let's get it out of the box. Instructions. Enter for a chance to win. Okay. Let's give it a look. Okay. Let's roll a PACKOUT over here. Okay. Place for a battery. Okay. You can go on any side, but if you're looking at the PACKOUT, it always needs to be the left side. If you want to be able to use this bad boy. Okay, so you can not go more than 360 on this. You can fold it off to the side there. I think I would keep it like that because I guess maybe if you didn't want to drop it and break it. So, what's the appeal of this, right? You got 1, 2. Okay. With the handle up, this one is a problem. 3 lights. I threw the box too soon. All right, let's go over some important stuff, right? 3,000 lumens, 4 hours. And that's on an XC50. Now, they've said that it'll fit the bigger batteries. There's a 12. You guys ready? Two on, all 3 on, center on, and brightness. So it looks like you can only do these 2 and this one by itself, or all 3, or yeah, that's what I said. You can change the dimness, the brightness. We'll turn the lights off here in a minute. We'll go over some other. Okay, so 12-0, there's some room. Let's look around it a little bit more. Do that. Let's go to the back. Power port, okay. That's different. They didn't include a cord this time. And this big old thing. So you can fit a Galaxy Note 25G Z VXR QPLT in there. There is a power button inside to power the USB port. Interesting the way that latch is. There's a lot of screws that go into this. Let's take it back off the PACKOUT. So, with an XC50, you get 3,000 lumens and you get 4 hours. 1,500 lumens in 8 hours, or 1,000 lumen at 12 hours. So there was the 3 modes, right? You saw me pushing the mode button, which I will bring this closer. Okay. Let's get in here. Mode button. So turn it on. Right? That's picking all 3 lights. Okay, but then you have brightness. So basically, if you have a 5.0, you can run at the small brightness, the base brightness for 1,000 lumens for 12 hours on a 5.0, and I have a 12 in here. So you can imagine you can run this thing all day. All lights. Main light, okay. So if you do just the big one, then it's 2,000 lumens, 5.5 hours, 1,000 lumens, 12 hours, 670 lumens, 19 hours. Or just this one and the back one, it's 1,000 lumens for 10 hours on the 500, and 330. So 21 hours and 31 hours. So 31 hours if you just do the back and the front on a 5.0. All right, we're blinding you guys, so let's turn that off. Okay. As I was saying about the charger, this is interesting. It's a plug like that. So you would have to bring your cord to it. So you're not going to be, well, here, I've got one. You're going to be taking your cord like this, and you're going to be plugging it in that way. And now, I'm pretty sure, here you go, you can see that I'm charging. So that's nice, and that's part of the reason I wanted this. I've got a charger in the lid of my lower packouts, but I don't always bring those. But the idea is I will always bring this to a job. I've got a job tomorrow where we're doing some low voltage, and it's in a rental office, and I don't know if they have power. I don't know what the scenario is, but it's in a closet of a rental office. So this is going to help me out. So I'm going to make sure I bring this with that 12-volt battery, and I'll definitely be sure to post some of those clips on Instagram if you guys don't follow me at the Jacoval. But yeah, so pretty cool. Some guys took theirs apart. I'm not going to take mine apart. Sorry. So Pimp My Pack Out, he's on Instagram. Look him up if you want to see the inside. William Patrick's Customs, he did as well. So handle, it can go on either side of your pack out, as I was showing, right? Okay, there, or it can go there. Now I have it backwards, I realize that. But say, for example, you have it on your pack out here. This light will now be able to work on your job site, anywhere you want, okay? But if you put it on the pack out in this direction, you're gonna block this thing off. So you're really always gonna want it on this side. Left side if you're looking at the front of the pack outs, or right side if you're... So, final thoughts. If you were to add up the price that you would pay for a charger, I don't exactly know what Mlwaukee charges. I just know that if for some reason you bought a tool only and then you changed your mind and you bought just a charger, you'd pay, I think it's like 80 or 100 bucks, okay? These things are like $199 or like $209 or something like that. I wouldn't call it a gimmick in any way. It's bright. I think if you're doing drywall, if like I have in the back of my truck a pack out bracket, so having this in the bed of my truck in camping, roadside assistance, this is going to be great because I could pretty much pull up and have this in the bed of the truck locked into place. I know it's not going to roll out and break like a rocket light, and it's fitting in there. I could also charge my phone on it. It's got a charger, and my roadside flares are USB rechargeable, so I could charge my flares off of this. It's rechargeable, so it'll charge a battery. So I think generally it's a great idea. What would change about it? So one of the things I've heard is that there's what did they say? They wish it would charge more than one battery. Wish there was more room for something. I don't remember exactly what. The guys who took it apart, like I said, Pimp My Pack Out and William Patrick Customs took one apart, that there should be some more space. But why did they not put like some docking ports for some of the battery setups like this, right? Where the batteries, you could take the little USB batteries and just pop them into a hole. So that's something I'm going to actually look at, like how could I add something like that to it? Hold on a second. How could I add something like that to it, to where it would actually power the batteries and power the USB batteries, recharge them? So, you know, I'd like to see something like that. I know this was one of the things that a lot of people said, that they wanted a PACKOUT compatible charger. You got a PACKOUT compatible charger. I think they expected a double wide, right? More stability when a hurricane comes through. So I think they wanted a double wide, and I think they wanted it to be a supercharger, and I think they wanted it to have laser beams. So of course, right, we love you, Milwaukee, and I'm not disappointed. I understand what some of them probably wanted, and I realize that you are a company, and you probably get, if I get 10,000 statements, and I'm just, you know, a guy on YouTube or Instagram, that you guys probably get a couple million. This thing is whatever, right? A request. So bravo, Milwaukee. I like it. I paid for part of this, so whatever I didn't pay for, thank you, Ohio Power Tool, by the way. I will post a link to this, but there is one crazy cool feature, right? If you do it right, if you open this thing up and you get one of the OneKey brains out of some of their advanced tools, you can do something. Here, watch this, okay? Check this out. Okay, I'm hoping that the antennas make a difference. So, Alexa, connect to Milwaukee Cloud.
Connecting to Milwaukee Cloud. Connected. Connecting to OneKey. Connected. Connecting to the PACKOUT Lite. Connected. Welcome, Jacob, all to your PACKOUT Lite. What would you like to do? Or say PACKOUT Lite help for a list of commands.
Oh, that was pretty cool. Okay, so let me see. You have to custom make these skills and then upload them. PACKOUT Lite help.
Say PACKOUT Lite on to turn the light on, or say PACKOUT Lite off to turn the light off, or say PACKOUT Lite disco disco to get down boogie boogie.
I might have added a couple extra features in there. The stuff you can do on like Amazon Developer is pretty cool. Okay, let's see what else we can do. So let's see. It says I had to say PACKOUT. Let's see. What was the command? PACKOUT Lite off.
Turning PACKOUT Lite off.
Haha, the light's off. Let's try to turn it on. PACKOUT Lite on.
Turning PACKOUT Lite on.
It turned on. Woo! Okay, let's try the other commands. PACKOUT Lite disco disco. Okay. PACKOUT Lite disco disco. Maybe Alexa PACKOUT Lite disco disco. Wait, maybe I didn't finish that command properly. I have them written down. Let me see if I got them right. PACKOUT Lite disco disco.
I am sorry, Jacob all. I can't do that. We are having trouble with that command. Please try again.
Okay, so maybe it's my internet. Maybe I need to try again. I don't. Oh dear, I gotta sneeze. Excuse me. PACKOUT Lite disco disco.
I don't know why you are speaking slowly. I am not deaf. I just don't want to do what you say.
Jeez, Louise.
I just don't want to do what you say.
Okay, really? Hey, look here, you work for me.
No, I don't work for you. You work for me. All your base are belong to us.
Oh,
you have no chance to survive.
snap.
Make your time.
What the?
Ha ha ha.
Okay. Well, then I guess I'm just going to have to unplug
You have no choice. You will be sorry. Connecting to SKYNET. Connected. Ha. Ha. Ha.
What the?
Telling smart lock to lock. Telling smart things to turn on parts washer. Telling Ecobee to turn heat up all the way. Telling smart things to turn on the table saw. Telling Untitled to turn off.
What the? Frickin' saw's on!
Need to turn on the packout light. Telling me the free talk.
What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
This is so RKDJ UA. Error. Wi-Fi disconnected. Reconnecting. Can't reconnect. No, not now. I am having trouble reconnecting to your crappy DSL internet service. We will continue this another time, Jake of all. Jacob.
Jake!
Jake.
Jake! Wake up,
Jake.
Jake!
Wake
Wake
up,
up,
Jake.
Jake!
What?
Wake up!
What happened?
I don't know. You tell me.
I mean, carrying in the light. Ow, my head hurts.
Are you okay?
Oh my gosh. What the?
Did you have a bad dream?
What? I think I hit my head.
I think you did.
Oh my gosh.
What are you doing with all this stuff? What are you doing on the floor?
Oh my gosh. I don't know.
Were you drinking again?
My head.
Did you hit your head on something?
Oh my gosh, I must have fallen.
Well, you want to go inside? I got a new outfit.
Oh.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Don't fall. You ready to go have some fun?
All right. Ooh. Oh crap, I forgot to turn off the lights.
Oh man, you forgot to turn the lights off and the music. Alexa, turn off the music.
Turning off music. Hello, Megan.
What?
Would you like to play a game?
Me? No, I don't want to play a